133 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just start with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. This process will continue. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 1. Bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 13 how many times? 7 times 14, which is greater, so 6 times. 6 times 2, 12. Subtract 1. Bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 13 how many times? Again 7 times 14, which is greater, so 6 times. 6 times 2, 12. Subtract 1. So our answer is 66, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take a decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 2 goes into 10 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 66.5.